Mama, sabi mo kanina, Mama, initan na ba Orion ko? Ha? I think you want to watch TV. Eh, kasi there's no power nga, there's no kuryente, brown out pa, kaya we can't watch TV. Initan ba si Orion? Ayun, papaypay na si Lola. O, tingnan mo, oh. Nainitan ka? Ha? Oh, yes. Sabi mo nga, Mama. Mama.
Hindi yan sumunod. Yung sa kanya talagang words.
Oh, yes. Oo.
Bakit? Marami kang...
Oh, Lola, I'm bored. I want to watch Little Einstein. There's nothing to do. Huh?
Bakit?
It's raining outside kasi. Diba? Lakas ulan. Are you scared? Are you scared sa ulan? Kaya nga sabi niya kanina, Lola, gusto niya pakarga lang. He cries when you put him in the crib. No? Oh, sana wala ng bagyo. So, Orion can go outside. Ha? Gagala si Orion sa labas.
Yeah.
Oh, or you want to watch TV. Oh, tignan mo. Daddy nga is sleeping eh. Oh, sleeping upstairs kahit walang electric fan. Orion, you say hello. You say hello to everyone. See? You say hi to everyone. Now, smile ka na.
Hello?
Smile!
Sabi mo, hello!
Smile! Smile!
Hello, baby! Ay! You make laugh with her?
Orion, sabi mo, Mama.
Oh,
Oh, hindi Emma. Sabi mo, wag Emma. Name yun ni Mama. Sabi mo lang, Mama.
Emma.
Mama. Momo, galing. Very good naman, Mama. Oh, how about Papa? Kaya mo na yun? Papa. Papa.
Ayaw nga niya
Ayaw.
ng turuan.
Lola. Kaya mo yan, Lola? Ha? Can you do that?
Hindi,
Ha?
hindi niya lula, kundi nanay.
Nanay. Kaya mo?
Do it now.
Sorry kayong lahat. Mama lang gusto ni Orion. Sabi mo ulit, Mama. Oh! Very good naman, Orion ko. Grabe, galing naman. Oh. You want to say something else pa? Hmm?
Mama.
Achoo! Bless you. Nako, it's raining hard. Sige na, say bye na to everyone. Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye-bye. Smile ka muna, smile. Smile muna, Ryan. Smile. Smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Mama. Oo, yan ang magsalita.